Assalamualaikum. In this video today I will solve the problem different consecutive characters of starter 61 division. So let's get started. What will be written here? So in this problem, chef has a binary string s of length n. Now chef can perform the following operation on s. Looks good. Insert any character 0 or 1 at any position in S. That means chef insert 0 or 1 at any position in S. It might be first position, or it will be last position, or it will be middle position, or it will be the middle position or first position, and between the first position and middle position. Okay. Now find the minimum number of operations chef needs to perform so that no two consecutive characters are same in S. So before solving the problem, you need to know that what is consecutive characters. Consecutive characters means the smallest distance, or okay, let's get an example. Like we have a string like 0, 1, 0 and 1, and this is called consecutive 0, 1 because this is most closest one. Between the 0 and 1 there is no number, that is called consecutive numbers. So now this 0 and 1 is consecutive, 1 0 is consecutive, and this is called actually consecutive. So now written here, no two consecutive characters are same. That means find the minimum number of operation. How many operation we can do? So what is our job? Our job is find out the minimum number of operation so that no two consecutive characters. So what is our operation? Our operation is we will add 0 or 1 at any position in our string so that there will be no consecutive characters, no same consecutive characters. Okay. Now I made a mistake. No consecutive character means 0 0. Both will be same. Both needs to be same. Like 1 1, like 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. This 0 0 is consecutive. This 1 1 is consecutive because they are same. This is 0 and this is 0. Okay. Now for this problem, what we can do? Now let's take an example. Our first test case is 1 1. So it's 1 1. So it's consecutive. So for making no consecutive, how can we do no consecutive? If we put a 0 between the 2 1, so it will be no consecutive, right? So now look at that. Our 1 and 1, 1 and 1. So 1 and 1, like here. Okay, I need to remove all the things first. Okay, let's draw 1 and 1. So this is now consecutive. So if we make if you want to make it no consecutive, we can put a 0 between the 1 and 1, so it will be no consecutive. And let's take the test case number 2, 0 1 0 1. So 0 1 and 0 1, 0 1 0 1. So 0 1 0 1 consecutive, no consecutive, 0 1 0 1 no consecutive, and 1 0 no consecutive. So we don't need to put any 0 and 1 between any of the 0 and 1, or no need to put any 0 or 1 in the string, right? So our result will be what? 0, because our question is find the minimum number of operations, so we don't need to any operations to make it no consecutive. Okay. So now 0 0 1 double 0. So 0 0 1 double 0, 0 0 1 double 0. Look at that. 0 0 is consecutive or no consecutive? Obviously consecutive. So to make it no consecutive, we need to put 1 here, right? We need to put 1. What? Put 1. So we will put 1. So our result will be now 1. Now next, 0 and 1 no consecutive, okay, no problem. 1 0 no consecutive, no problem, but 0 0 is consecutive, so we need to put a 1 between these two 0. So our result will be now what? 2. So that is our result. Look at that, our result is 2. So now how can we implement this logic in code? So let's imagine. So so now I will remove all the things. 0. Okay, so let's write the string is equal to 0 0 1 1 0 0. So now think if we can check 0 0 at a time, we can make a decision that this is consecutive, right? So to make it not non-consecutive, what can we do? We can put a 1 between these two 0, and we need to we want a variable, right, to count how many 1 or 0 we will add. So let's define a variable called c equal to 0. So as it is consecutive, so to make it consecutive, we need to add a 1. So our c 0 will be 1. Now we will check 0 and 1. Now we will check 0 and 1. So 0 1 consecutive, no consecutive, so we don't need to increase the value of c, right? Now we will check these 1 and 1. So this 1 and 1 consecutive or no consecutive? Obviously this is consecutive. So to make it non-consecutive, we need to add a 0 between that, right? So our value of the c is 2. Now we will check these 1 and 0, no consecutive. These 0 and 0 consecutive, so increase the value 3. So can you imagine the operations? Yes, you can imagine. So we will start a loop. From 0 to n minus 1. So the value of n is what? The length of s. Then we will check the two indexes at a time. S of 0. Sorry, this will be I. And s of I, if s of I equal s of I plus 1. If s of I equal s I plus 1, that means that, so if it is true, then we will increase the value of c. If it is false, so this is if, and if it is false, then we don't need to increase the value. Complete? I think you can understand. So next, let's read the code. Look, I declared a variable called c. This is a Python code. So I'm starting a loop from 0 to length of s. This is a length of a string minus 1. Then I'm checking s of I equal s of I plus 1. Then I'm incrementing the value of c. And after finishing the loop, I'm just printing the c. This was the problem. Okay. And if you want to learn the Python programming language, you can enroll my Python private batch. You can go through my Facebook page, Code with Redoy. If you face any problem, you can knock me and you can ask me anything regarding this problem or regarding my private batch program. Okay, thank you.